Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jimmy C. Capri, the nurse practitioner extraordinaire. And guys, yes, exercise is amazing, but will it give you all the results that you want in the time period that you're looking for? If you're interested, stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to talk about working out versus diet, or working out versus intermittent fasting, or working out versus, let's just say today I'm going to talk about working out versus intermittent fasting. I'm actually going to talk about both because I do both. And so I just got done working out. Let me see. I got to fix this. Okay. I just got done working out, and working out is amazing and it does benefit you, right? But when I'm working with you and I'm working with my clients, my patients, whoever, who are trying to overcome obesity and overcome diabetes, the first thing that we have to work on is really what we're putting in our mouth. 85 to 90% of weight gain, disease, obesity, diabetes, all of those things, discomfort, inflammation, come from what we're eating. And so I want to highlight in this video how exercising is helpful, but how intermittent fasting is so much more helpful when you're trying to reach a goal, a weight loss goal. And there's nothing wrong with fitness. I love fitness. There's nothing wrong with that. But sometimes with women who may be over the age of 40, you need something to help you to get off that 10 to 15 pounds. You need something that will give you some results fast. And that's what intermittent fasting does. And so I'm not going to say it's better. Maybe I am going to say it's better, but it's just different, right? Intermittent fasting is a tool that you can use to control your weight, to increase your mental clarity, to control your confidence level, to help you with managing your diabetes, your inflammation, all of those things. And so when I think about exercise, I think about exercise in terms of making sure that my heart is healthy, making sure that I'm getting lean muscle, making sure that I'm working out for bone health and density and osteoporosis and all of those things. So yes, that's wonderful, and yes, that works. But ladies, I'm going to tell you the truth. If you're working out and you don't see anything, you don't see a difference, the reason is it's because you haven't learned to add diet control. And when I say diet control, I'm not talking about a diet. I'm talking about controlling what we put in our mouth, the time we start eating, the amount we eat, and all of those things. And so with this video, I guess more than anything, the thing that I want you to get is that trying to control what you eat is harder than going out and exercising. So sometimes we choose the exercise route when we really should be choosing the food route, the eating route, the dieting route, because that is what will give us the best results the fastest. And so I would encourage you to consider what you're eating, when you're eating, how long you're eating into the evening, versus how much you're working out, what you're doing, how far you're running, and all of those things. Now, they can work really well together, once you get control of what you're eating. But if you're trying to do something fast right now, I would say start with your diet. And so, like I said, I like intermittent fasting with my participants, with my patients, me. I've been doing it now for probably over 3 years, and it's been amazing. And so if you're looking to start intermittent fasting, I would say please join my program. I would love that very much. But I'm going to give you a few key things to start out. Number one, just start moving your breakfast back, or skip breakfast altogether. It's not a do that. Okay, skip breakfast. Number two, increase your water intake and drink at least a full glass of water before you eat a meal. Number three, when you're eating your meal, make sure that you're actually present and you're enjoying what you're eating. You're eating slowly and you're taking your time to enjoy your meal. Number four, when you first start intermittent fasting, cut out the carbs. If you can do that, then that you're pretty much winning. Try to cut out the carbs up front as much as you can. Now, you do need some carbs, but you know, like I said, if you're trying to lose weight or whatever, at least try to cut down on your carbs. And number five, get rest. Make sure you're resting. Make sure that you are mentally refreshed and resting while you're on this intermittent fasting journey. Okay? And those are some of the tips that I can give you. I'm not saying to not exercise. That's not what I'm saying. Exercise is amazing. But 85 to 95% of weight gain and weight loss is from what you're putting in your mouth. I wonder, did I say that right? Is that what I wanted to say? 85% of... That's not what I wanted to say. Anyway, you know where I'm going with this. If you had to choose one right now, then choose getting control of your diet. And honestly, it is difficult, but you can do that. And if you need an accountability coach, if you need someone to help you with that, tap into my program. That's www.drjamesia.com. I'll try to put it on the screen. I might put it on the screen and keep it there the whole time. I'd love it if you would watch some more of my intermittent fasting videos. I would love it very much if you would follow me on Instagram, on Facebook, YouTube, of course, and yeah, all those things. So, all right, guys, that is all that I have for you today, and I will see you in the next video. Take care, guys.